Choosing a drawing tablet becomes much more complicated once you move beyond entry-level models. The options are numerous, prices vary widely, and two tablets can offer nearly identical specifications while delivering a completely different drawing experience. Factors such as stylus quality, screen performance, and driver stability are criteria that rarely appear in standard comparison charts. 4 drawing tablets were analyzed in depth across different price ranges, from mid-range options to high-end professional references. Each model was evaluated based on its real strengths, practical limitations, and overall value relative to its price. Links to each product are available in the description, so let's begin the list. In the display drawing tablet segment, the XP Pen Artist 15.6 Pro stands out as one of the most compelling alternatives to the high-end market leaders. Against the Wacom Cintiq Pro models that have traditionally dominated this category, it aims to narrow the technical gap while maintaining a significantly more affordable price point. The tablet is built around a lightweight plastic chassis. It does not attempt to feel premium, but neither does it give any impression of fragility. The design is clean and functional, featuring the distinctive red dial on the side that helps differentiate this model from previous versions in the lineup, a useful detail in a product range that can sometimes be difficult to navigate. The display is one of the tablet's strongest selling points. With a full HD resolution and 90% Adobe RGB color gamut coverage, it comfortably meets the needs of digital illustration and photo editing. What truly sets it apart from similarly priced competitors is its laminated display. The gap between the glass surface and the screen is minimized, significantly reducing parallax and improving drawing accuracy. A matte screen protector completes the package by providing slight resistance under the stylus, creating a drawing experience that feels closer to paper. The stylus offers 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and tilt support, 2 features that were once reserved primarily for premium brands. Overall, the pressure curve is well calibrated. Some minor inconsistencies can occasionally appear at the end of strokes, but the stylus performance remains among the strongest available in this price range. Customizable shortcut keys are built directly into the tablet, reducing the need to constantly switch between the tablet and keyboard during work sessions. An adjustable stand is included as well. It is stable and well designed, although it only supports a single working angle. Connectivity is handled through a single cable that combines USB, HDMI, and power connections. The tablet is compatible with both Windows and Mac systems. Overall, the XP Pen Artist 15.6 Pro brings together several features that were once limited to much more expensive product lines, including a laminated display, tilt-enabled stylus support, and integrated shortcut keys. Its shortcomings remain relatively minor considering its price positioning, making it one of the strongest references currently available in the mid-range display drawing tablet market. Among mid-range pen displays, the Huion Kamvas Pro 16 has become one of the brand's most mature offerings. Rather than competing on price alone, it focuses on improving key aspects of the drawing experience, bringing several features that were once largely reserved for more expensive professional models. The build represents a break from previous versions. The brushed aluminum back gives the device a sense of solidity and perceived quality that is unusual for this brand at this price level. The device weighs around 1.4 kilograms, making it substantial without being bulky. Rubber pads ensure stability on the desk. Note: no stand is included in the box, meaning a separate purchase is required to work at a comfortable angle. The laminated display is the core selling point of this model. By removing the gap between the glass and the panel, Huion significantly improves drawing accuracy and reduces the parallax effect. The resolution remains full HD with color gamut coverage of 120% sRGB or 92% Adobe RGB depending on the variant. The surface features an anti-glare coating that reduces reflections without affecting color reproduction. A slight heat spot may appear at the top of the screen during extended use. The stylus offers 8,192 pressure levels and operates without a battery. Tilt support is included, although its performance remains slightly behind Wacom solutions depending on usage. Overall, the pressure curve is well calibrated with smooth behavior across the entire pressure range. A slight tip wobble on contact with the screen has been noted, but it does not significantly affect drawing in normal conditions. 6 customizable shortcut keys are placed along the side edge, along with a touch slider that can control zoom, scrolling, or brush size depending on the selected mode. The power button positioned near the shortcuts may cause some confusion during initial use. Left-handed orientation is supported via driver settings. Connectivity is handled through a combined USB-C and HDMI cable. Compatibility covers Windows and Mac OS. The drivers have become more stable in recent versions, featuring a unified configuration interface across the brand's devices. Overall, the Kamvas Pro 16 brings together the expected features in this category: laminated display, battery-free stylus, customizable buttons, within a better finished chassis than its predecessors. Its limitations remain relatively minor considering its positioning. In the large format display drawing tablet segment, the XP Pen Artist 24 Gen 2 series sits at the top of the brand's lineup. Two variants are available, a 4K version priced at $1,000 and a 2.5K version with a 165Hz refresh rate priced at $700. At this price level, both devices are clearly aimed at professional illustrators and creatives who use their tablet as their primary monitor. The panel measures 23.8 inches diagonally with a noticeable bezel around the edges. This is not an arbitrary design choice. On such a large format, the borders provide a natural resting area for the hand during lateral movements, helping prevent accidental slips off the screen. The structure is substantial, a logical consequence of the thick glass panel and a sturdy metal stand. Rubber pads ensure complete stability on the desk even when adjusting the tilt. The stand is detachable for mounting on an ergonomic arm via a VESA standard. Tilt adjustment ranges from roughly 20 degrees to nearly 90 degrees, covering a wide range of working positions. The box includes two styluses of different sizes, one large and one slim, each stored in a hard case. The slim stylus features a removable button system useful for users who tend to trigger them accidentally. Both styluses use XP Pen's X3 technology. Known for its low-pressure sensitivity, stroke activation occurs even with very light pressure, expanding the expressive range. The line work is smooth overall, with a slight waviness that becomes noticeable only under very slow and careful inspection. At normal drawing speeds, this is barely perceptible. A slight shoelace effect can appear on fast strokes at the end of a line, a known behavior in this stylus generation. The 165Hz version produces slightly more screen heat than the 4K version due to the higher refresh rate. The benefit of 165Hz remains limited in standard illustration workflows on Windows or Mac OS, but becomes more relevant for mixed use cases involving gaming or high frame rate applications. Connectivity is handled via a single USB-C cable when the source device supports it, or through a combination of HDMI and DisplayPort, along with a USB-C cable for pen data transmission. Overall, both versions of the Artist 24 Gen 2 deliver solid stylus performance and a build designed for intensive use. The choice between them mainly depends on whether priority is given to resolution or refresh rate. The Cintiq Pro 27 represents the pinnacle of Wacom's display tablet lineup. Priced at $3,500 for the tablet alone, with an additional $500 required for the official stand, this device is aimed at a very specific professional audience: illustrators, colorists, and creative professionals whose demands for color accuracy and drawing comfort justify an investment of this scale. The display measures 26.9 inches and features a 4K resolution with a 120Hz refresh rate. The panel uses a chemically etched anti-glare glass surface designed for drawing, although it naturally appears less vibrant than a glossy OLED display, a trade-off inherent to this type of finish. Color coverage reaches 98% DCI-P3 with HDR support and Pantone validation for the most demanding professional workflows. The build is substantial, with the device weighing nearly 7 kilograms. The bezels have been reduced compared to previous generations, and the mounting system now uses a VESA standard, replacing the proprietary solution found on the Cintiq Pro 24. One important consideration is that, without a stand, the device is virtually unusable. No integrated feet or resting angle are provided, making the separately sold stand almost essential. The Pro Pen 3 is fully modular. 2 grip sizes, optional counterweights, and interchangeable button configurations allow extensive customization based on individual preferences. 3 buttons are available by default, but the rear eraser found on previous generations has been removed. The lines produced are highly accurate, with smooth and consistent pressure handling across the entire pressure range. A slight shoelace effect has been observed with certain brushes in Photoshop, although it does not appear in other applications such as Clip Studio Paint. 8 shortcut keys are integrated into the rear grips, with 4 on each side. In practice, only 4 remain easily accessible while drawing, since the drawing hand is occupied. Touch functionality performs well under Windows but is less responsive and less accurate on macOS. An internal cooling fan runs continuously to maintain display temperatures, producing a noticeable level of noise in a quiet environment. Overall, the Cintiq Pro 27 is a technically refined drawing tablet built for intensive professional use. Its premium price, combined with the absence of an included stand, makes it a product intended for users who consider drawing precision and color accuracy to be non-negotiable requirements. Overall, what stands out from this analysis is that there is no universally best drawing tablet. Everything depends on your skill level, available budget, and actual requirements when it comes to drawing performance and display quality. A professional illustrator and someone just starting out simply do not need the same tool. And paying more does not necessarily guarantee a better experience if your workflow does not justify it. Links to each model are available in the description, along with their prices at the time of publication. See you next time.